It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal illusion.
Hey guys, it's me. Happy Friday. Are you here for a spooky video? It is raining, thunderstorming. What time is it now? 10:29. So you're gonna probably hear thunder and lightning in the back. I've got on every lights over here. I've got on everything. But this is one of the hazards of filming. It's one of the hazards of definitely having a filming, you know, day that you always do, schedule, and filming and editing and posting on the same day. So you just have to do it. Excuse the thunder and the darkness. We will try to get through it. I kind of have a weird video to do anyway, like so many thoughts going through my head. I was just downstairs and I went to take I've been taking this probiotic that I eventually want to tell you guys about, but I wanted to take it for a while to see how I liked it. But it's different. It's like lots of different little beads or something, and I'm not used to taking it with lip gloss on. I always take it with my Diet Coke, and I opened up I put that stuff in my mouth just with the scoop, went to go get my Diet Coke, and there wasn't any there. It was just an empty box. And so I went to show John. I said, and when I did, I blew all the little beads out all over my face. It has just been one of those mornings. So we're just gonna go with it, see where it takes us. Let's see, I've got a couple of different thought patterns here of things to tell you about. Let me just clear off some things that I want to show you. Hold on just a second. Yes.
Yeah, that's a good point. Should we change the pen?
Okay, that's another little quagmire that's been going on. My debit card was stolen, and we did not even realize it because they had it for a while, and they were just using it little bit by little bit, which is so weird because I'm used to, you know, anytime somebody gets a card stolen, people just go crazy with it. Well, they were smart and they just used it just a little bit, I think for gas, I'm not sure, but anyway, so John's dealing with that. Okay, here we go. The 5-minute journal. It's very popular. You might already have it, but I got it halfway thinking I would use it. I already journal so much. It's just not in a pretty little order like this. But what I liked about this is that it has 3 amazing things that happened today. How could I have made today even better? And so that was just like it's a different thought process. I mean, I'm used to praying and saying thanks for things that happen, but I just thought this might be something different, might be something I enjoy, and I thought I might be able to get Brooke to do it, and she actually wants this one, so I'm gonna order another one for myself, but I told her I wanted to show you first. But it's the 5-minute journal. Okay, something I got and then something I've been loving this week, but one of you sweet girls recommended this hair product, and it's the Uncommon Magic Mist Universal Elixir. Protect, strengthen, and hydrate. So I just got it yesterday, and it was so great because it was wash your hair night. And so I started out just using this. It says to spray it in your hair after you take it down from the towel. And it also says you can mist on damp hair, comb throughout, style away for a magical day, or mist on dry hair to refresh your look. I don't know if I'd spray it on dry hair unless you were just gonna start all over. But anyway, I sprayed this and I was like, I wanna, you know, just use this because I wanna be able to tell them and I wanna be able to see what it does. Then I thought, okay, you want to do apples to apples, because no matter what, I always use the I used to use 3, now I just use 2 pumps of the Kerastase, that gold elixir oil, so I went ahead and did that. So I just used this and that, and I blow dried my hair with my Dyson, and I was thinking, you know, I mean, it looked good and everything, but it wasn't until I went to curl my hair that I could tell the difference. Another thing I wanted to just, like a good product, this is a heat protectant that one of my friends, Corey, sent me. You guys know I love the other heat protectant, the one it's just called Protect, I think it's called Sexy Hair. But I'm always trying to think, like, is there any negatives to this, or is there anything about this that someone might not like? I mean, it could be even the fragrance that you don't like. So I'm always thinking of an alternative, or if they ever were to discontinue that. So one thing that you may not like about the other is that it does put the slightest bit of dampness on the hair before you curl it. And because I do my hair and then I sleep on it, that doesn't bother me because it dries and it gets, you know, it doesn't look wet. Oh my gosh, I think it's hailing. Do you guys hear that? This is gonna be an exciting video. I think the worst hail I have ever experienced was when I was in high school. And I was driving home and it started, and I was on this long 2-lane road, and I was scared to pull over because it wasn't really a road you could pull over. It was just like went down and it was dirt. And I finally got to a gas station and it was pieces like this big. I mean, the biggest hail. I mean, it was putting dents in people's cars. And then of course I've seen it since then, but I won't, hold on, let me see if I can take a picture, hold on. You guys, I just took some video of it that I'll put in there. John's freaked out about my car getting messed up because I have a black car. Wow, okay, what was I talking about? Please ignore the thunder, lightning, and hail. If that one, if for any reason you don't like that one, I think you might like this one. It is a very dry spray. See? Not much of a, oh, a good fragrance. Ooh, that, I love that fragrance. It makes you feel like you just had your hair done. Duh. I love this. And so that is what I have used on my hair today, along with my dry bar curling wand. Okay, here comes the review. Because in my head I was thinking, okay, it's about like the Wow or any other type spray or something. This is something I noticed when I was wrapping my hair, and I normally, you know, I feel the whole strand of hair because it's like slipping through my hands. Normally about the last, you know, that much of it feels kind of rough because it's old and it's damaged and it's, you know, those ends just get rough. I noticed all of my hair all the way down felt smoother. So if I had to say, I would give it 2 thumbs up. It also has a heat protectant in it, so if you didn't want to use an extra one, you don't have to. Like Protect, Strengthen, Hydrate. I was really impressed. If I wasn't, I wouldn't show it to you. I'll bet my cats are hiding. I know Sassy probably is. Bubba's the only one, sorry, I got hair in my mouth, that is not really afraid of much. Okay, the next thing, because I want to put my jewelry on, I got a package last night. I was in the bed and the, I guess, FedEx or UPS guy came, and I was so excited because I did not really have a lot to show you guys this week. I'm actually waiting on 3 pairs of fabulous shoes that are out for delivery today. So I'm thinking I want to do a video. So many of you have wanted me to do a video on my Birkin, and then I got a new watch, a Rolex two-tone, and I've got another bag that I've got that I don't think I've shown you on YouTube. So I'm definitely going to do like a luxury haul video soon, maybe this weekend, and then maybe I'll do another video and show you the shoes or something. I don't know. I wish they would have come, but I couldn't wait because I have to have time to edit and post this. I got a Dean Davidson package, and he sent me some of his new collection, which is the Woven, inspired by their trip to Bali. The Woven collection showcases the soft details and entwined gold, featuring statement-making silhouettes and feather-light designs. These pieces are destined to become favorites. You're going to love them. You're going to love them. Kept one box out to show you. When you order something from Dean, this is how you'll get it. And he also sent me some pieces that I didn't have from the Manhattan collection. So then you will open it like this, and then every piece is in this little soft envelope. Oh gosh, I just opened this morning. Look at these little huggy earrings. They're from that Bali collection. Like this, I'm scared I'm gonna hurt them. There's like a little piece right there, so I'm scared. Do they twist? Do they open? I'm not sure how they open. I'll have to find out. But I cannot wait to wear these like in my second hole. Did I tell you? I get confused at what I tell you guys on here and what I say on Instagram, but I did get those posts shortened. I think I did tell you that. And he told me in about another month I should be able to take those out and put something else in. So I love that. You can't make this up, I tell you. Those I think are beautiful. This, look at how gorgeous that is. This is the ring that goes with the collection. It's kind of like a dome ring. It is gorgeous. So I want to put that on. Let's see. It can go on my, I think I'm gonna wear it on my first finger right now. And then he sent me these earrings. I think I'm gonna wear these today. I love like that design where it has like a stud with a little drop, because then you get both. It's not too much. You should see the trees like swaying all around. Oh, they're so pretty. So light and easy. Okay, and then he sent me this chain, and I believe that she has it on in this picture. Look how beautiful. Like each link is the woven. I love how his do this. They're very, very easy. But look at the detail. And then he sent me this as part of the Manhattan collection. If you haven't ever looked at that collection, the little teeny huggy earrings are so pretty. There's just so much. I love it. I love like the Art Deco type design. I just love that. Thank you, Dean. Oh, I have another. Yes, these. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are like a drop earring, so they still have the pretty woven post, but with the drop ball. I have some like stone earrings that he has sent me like this before, but this is cool because it's just the gold. And this would look really good with the blazer that I may wear. Who knows, I may not even get to go anywhere today. When you have long hair, it's so nice to have something that's long and straight, and just the way they move, it's just beautiful. I love this. This is just like, when I first got this, I thought, ooh, I want to wear a nice, you know, beautiful dress and put this on with it. But I imagine this with like something kind of low cut. I don't know, actually. I kind of like that. Okay, so let's just wear this today. Yeah, I like that. It gives me just a little something else. Thank you so much, Dean. He knows how much I love his stuff and him. Okay, so let's go on to my makeup look of the day. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's pretty different. One thing is, I did get my eyebrows done yesterday. I did not laminate them again. I just don't think my brows need that. I think my brows don't really, they're not unruly and they're not thick and they lay down already. But I did enjoy getting them shaped, tweezed and everything, trimmed and tinted. So I went back and got that done yesterday. And then I got a new product from RODIAL this week. It is their new Hyronic Tan Serum. So it sat there for like a day or two, and then I thought, I want to try this because sometimes I want to look glam to the max, and I don't care if my face is more glam than my body. But sometimes I just want a light, kind of beachy girl with makeup, just a more casual look. So I have used these last night and the night before. Hyaluronic acid to provide hydration and to help a more youthful appearance. Glycerin to enhance moisture and create a dewy looking skin. Ethylose, I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, a natural tanning agent to give a radiant glow. DHA works in synergy with the earthulose to give a longer lasting tan. So I guess it's like a little bit of a tanner, because when I woke up this morning, I really had like some color to my face, and it inspired me to not put on foundation. and just see how I felt about it. So what I did is I put the mineral powder on, and then I used one of my favorite products from RODIAL, which is the Bronze Glow Drops. I remember when I discovered these, I like went ballistic and bananas, and I hope that some of you got this. These are just, I really love them, especially in the summer, because it gives you that rosy tan kind of color. So I used these today over the powder, and I just kind of tried to bring it up a little bit higher and give myself more of like that more casual sun-kissed look. Let me know what you think. I mean, you can definitely still see like my imperfections through, because I've got like a little pigmentation there, I've got a pigment spot there, I've got, you know, a few on my forehead, and I just haven't done anything to really lighten them lately. Normally, you know, double wear will cover those right up. So let me know what you think, but so far I am loving these. They did not give me an orange look at all. I did not even have to use moisturizer over them. Both of these I'm loving. And then this is what I was supposed to show you last Friday, and I had it in my head it was the City Beauty, but anyway, this is the new Laura Mercier product I've been telling you about, and I couldn't decide this morning whether to use this, but I really wanted to show you those because it's not like me to like a face tanning product. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, oil free. This is what they have needed for so long. Every time they have sent me their tinted moisturizer, I want to love it. I want to, but it had no coverage, none. So this has much more coverage. It has the SPF 20. This color could not be any better. It's the 3-in-1 sand, and it's in like a squeezy tube. And between this and the other one, the Suntegrity, this is what I've been wearing like to the pool and to the beach. So look at this, how pretty. And it's really not, actually if you have really oily skin, I would probably recommend the Suntegrity. If you have normal skin but you want a little bit more coverage and you don't want it to slip off your face, which is me, like you live in a humid climate or something, you would love this one. It's gorgeous. It is one of the best products they've come out with, and I am praying that they will come out with another mineral powder. Okay guys, I feel like I should probably wrap this up just because it's so ugly and everything. I just wanted to tell you, I purchased many bikinis off of Amazon. Some of these are almost identical to the ones I was looking at on all of the expensive sites like Becca and all of that stuff. So hopefully it's supposed to be pretty this weekend. Follow me on Instagram and you will see all of my bikinis because I will show each one of them. And then I got this. This is the one thing that I didn't get before I showed you or did my Walmart video. I just wanted to show it to you. It's one of those nightgowns that I love, and I love it. I think it's so pretty and sweet. Me, even when I go to bed, I want to like how I look. So thank you guys so much. I don't have anything new on. Actually, I think this is kind of new. I don't know if you've seen it, but it is I've got on my favorite jeans lately, which are the Mother Tomcat. No shoes on yet. I will probably have to wear flip-flops, maybe my white Havaianas. And this is a blazer. Some of you sent me pictures of this girl on Instagram, and she had on like a oversized hot pink blazer. You know what? Isn't this cool how this necklace kind of hangs in different pieces too? That's cool. We'll probably throw this on today with some type of sandals, and this is my outfit of the day. So sorry we got rained out almost, but I have all ideas that I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.